Java 8 and 11 will support. 17 also supports. With that command, what will happen, sir?
It will support the advanced version. Copy that. Let us go here. I have a password.
Now we installed Jenkins, sir?
This is without installation. Everything admin. Okay.
So without installation, we can do this?
Yes.
So whenever I want to use, how I need to start with?
I'll show you that.
Okay.
So your Jenkins is ready. Okay.
Okay.
You follow those instructions to install plugins. I hope you remember the plugins.
Yes, I have that
Git
recorded
plugin,
videos.
Maven plugin, tools,
Yes,
configurations, everything you should. Now the question is how to start this. Very, very simple. So assume that you restarted your computer. Okay.
Okay.
Just open the command prompt.
Okay.
Go to D drive. And if you remember that the Jenkins command, java-jar jenkins.1. Okay. And you will get a error because of this issue. Which issue? That enabled.
Not support.
We'll do one thing. We'll create a batch file for it.
We are going to D folder because Jenkins.war is we have kept in the D folder.
Yes.
Okay. Last 1 week I am struggling with the.
So now
So I was lagging a lot.
So now one notes what I should do. You keep these two files in the same place, war file and the batch file. Whenever you want to use Jenkins, double
one
click
folder
it. You
one
can
folder
keep wherever,
I need to
wherever you want, you can keep that. But keep them together. Okay. Now you get a message. What is the message you're getting?
Jenkins is fully up and running.
As soon as you get that message, you open a tab.
Okay, that localhost 8080 I need to type.
So you just need to type localhost 8080. Username is admin. Password is admin. Okay.
Okay.
And so you can use the Jenkins. Okay. And never ever close this command prompt. It has to be running. If you close it, Jenkins will die. Okay.
Okay.
And once you're done everything, log out. Close this. Come back to the command prompt.
Installation and using and
nothing.
If I am using
this itself
no difference. Okay. No, if there is any difference, if I am using like this, there is any problem.
This it is exactly same as the Jenkins. The only difference is that will do modification to registry. It will come under add, remove program, everything. This is instantly it will just run it. Okay. You just so here you say terminate. Okay. And press
how you have how you got this
Control C shortcut. Okay. And press Y. It will end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No need to set environment variable. Nothing has to be done. This is very easy. When you have some, usually
No, for
antivirus,
JDK, I need to set up the environment
don't do
variable.
anything. Everything is perfect now.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anything else?
No, sir. I will complete the remaining
Yeah.
parts.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.